Hello and welcome to LessonPix. Today we're going to quickly go through how to create custom materials for your learners using our simple online tools. At the heart of LessonPix is our symbol library, which you can find here under Clip Art. We have over 75,000 symbols covering every topic from core communication words to classroom subjects for all age levels. Just as importantly, we have powerful tools to help you find the symbols you need and quickly combine them into materials you can use in your classroom or practice. Let's use our most important tool, the Create Materials tray. First, we need to find some symbols to work with. Let's start with the search for jobs. Notice the Community Helpers folder. Let's take a look. Here, we have dozens of symbols about jobs and activities we'll find people doing in our community. This is perfect. Let's find some pictures. We'll drag our favorites into the tray using our mouse. Here's an astronaut and a baker. We can also use the little blue plus button if we prefer. It's very handy when you're using certain tablets where dragging isn't always easy. Now that we have our symbols, click Create Materials to start the wizard. The wizard provides a list of templates we can choose from. We'll search for bingo and then choose Bingo Games and click Next. On this page, we can adjust our list of symbols and text. We can rename them, change their case, or even translate them to another language, but we'll save that for another video. We'll click Next and choose our options for our bingo cards. We'll name them Jobs Bingo and choose a 3x3 layout. We want a color border, text under each symbol, and 10 different cards for our 10 students. Just think about how long that would take by hand. Hitting Finish, LessonPix will go to work creating our custom material. We'll download the PDF and take a look. All 10 pages have been randomized, and there's a page at the end to cut up and draw from a hat. Super easy. There's a lot more to LessonPix, including a sharing center where you can reuse materials created by others, and the Sound Finder tools that let you find groups of words with common sounds and patterns. We hope this quick video has given you a taste of what's possible. Check out more of our videos to learn all that LessonPix has to offer, and as always, good luck and have fun.